So it's first time my thermostat sa engine temperature is nag-light up. Meaning, there's something wrong with my cooling system. First, I had a problem or issue with my aircon kasi hindi na siya lumalamig. So ngayon, just few minutes after, red na yung thermostat. So I need to pull over to check the engine. Especially to check if meron bang coolant. Normally, meron talaga. So I'm turning it off. Let me check the engine. What's wrong with you? Medyo mainit talaga siya. Palamigin ko muna. Open this one. Ang init. Init. Uy! Grabe. Oh, kainit. There is something wrong with my car. Wait, do not go outside. It's so dangerous. Oh, init kayo. Possible problem ani ang iyang water pump wanigana. Sabiha eh. Gusto ka mo sana. So after a few minutes, medyo hindi na siya kumukulo. Hopefully. Oh, init sobra. Grabe. So sabi ng mekaniko na kaibigan ko, possible ito di gumagana. At saka yung water pump niya para mag-circulate yung coolant. Malaki-laking gastos to pag nangyari. Ayan guys, nabubuksan na. So hindi na siya ganun ka-pressurize. Pero grabe yung init talaga. Update ko kayo mamaya. So pagkatapos magpa-cool down guys, biniyahe ko siya para makarating sa destination namin kasi malapit lang naman. And then I just opened the window and then hopefully walang traffic para hindi siya mag-overheat. So lesser load, no aircon, more airflow, chill lang. Basta wag lang lumabas yung magic eye para sa thermostat. Hopefully makaabot kami. Tinawagan ko na yung mekaniko na kaibigan ko for some advice. He said na i-rescue niya ako pero I said na okay lang. Hindi naman siya grabe. I think I can manage. So here's the technique for my situation now guys. Pag ganito, stop and malayo pa. So stop mo natin yung engine para hindi mag-overheat. Okay? I am confident naman na yung battery from all batteries is strong. So kaya pa niyang mag-start from this situation. So ito, forward ko muna. Kasi medyo ano na. Ayan. Try natin mag-start. 3, 2, 1. Hay, salamat. So stressful. But it's okay. Everything is under control. Make sure lang na hindi lalabas yung magic eye or yung thermostat na sign. Importante talaga that your engine will not overheat. So no aircon, open the windows, and then as much as possible flowing traffic para yung air is makatulong sa pag-cool down ng engine. So that's it. Thank you Lord. So ito siya guys, after few kilometers of traveling, good thing hindi siya nag-overheat again. So thank you Lord.